Oh, you're on.
Oh, yeah.
My God. He's going straight under that damn boat, man. Right. Here we go. These are the ones. I've been waiting on these. They've just come in. These are the ones that did all the damage in Brizzy. Perfect size. So I've got the pearl white. More of a natural colour one. These are the Capsies by Biwa. And then last but not least, the lavender with the pearl through it. Beautiful. That's all we need, baby. Look at that. Beautiful coal cliff. I was going to try my luck and have a little flick. I brought it right down, possibly go off the beach, but I'm exhausted. Just getting a few pebbles for the fish tank. They've got the best quality fine grade pebbles you could ever want. Like that. And the further you go down, the finer they get. So if you need super fine, they got it all. The bountiest fish tank haul so far. I'm going for all these textured moon looking rocks. Massive cuttlefish bone, absolutely huge. Rounded off bricks from the surf. A big bucket of fine gravel from our South American fish tank we'll set up. Oh yeah. Right, here we go. Today could be the day. Marshmallow man. Let's go and unlock some of the mysteries of the Hawkesbury. Let's do it, baby. Looking good. Rod holders, rods, ice, eskies. Is there food? Bit of food. Yeah, we're good to go. Let's do it.
Please turn next right.
Right, we made it. Oh yeah. Let's just go check out the boat round quick. This place, look, it's all fogged out. It's a little bit chilly. It's crazy. It's like its own ecosystem once you get down here. Very nice wide boat ramp. I like it. There's no pressure, no rush today. We're just taking it very easy. Very, very easy. First time here with a boat. Alright, it's Nauti Jade, Nauti Pleasures. We finally made it to the Hawkesbury with the vessel. We've got the boat out, baby. I know a lot of people have been saying to go up to Parsley Bay, but I think I'm going to start in the back of the river, go up a couple of times from this way first, and then we'll start leaping up to the other ramp and see what that one's like up around there. But no complaints at the moment from me. Look at this place. Dead quiet, no one here, just the way I like it. Alright, let's rig this boat up and get it out. It's going to be a good day, I can feel it. Yeah, I think I'll reverse up and just get set up over here before I put it in quick. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty, baby. First things first, where the hell are we going to go? I've got no idea. We'll just slowly make our way up the river, I guess. Bloody bright. Oh, it was all dark and misty like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. I'm pretty slow to get the boat out. All right, let's go explore this thing called the Hawkesbury. I'm so bloody pumped, man. It's been a long time planning to do this. So just for the record too, this is the, we're approaching the very top of the tide. It's going to turn soon, start going out. So hopefully we can fish the whole outgoing tide and then fish the start of the incoming tide before we come back to the boat ramp. Hopefully with those dewies, baby, or something. We're going to give it a good go. I got 6 or 7 rods with me. Everything from bait to plastics. Bait to plastics. Maiden voyage. Who would have thought? In the Hawkesbury, on the boat. Wow, super foggy. Putting my nav lights on just in case anyone's coming around the corner. Oh, it's saying there's lots of bait kind of around here. We're filling up, baby. Yeah, I'll see if I can get some bait quickly, just to start us off. Mate, it is saying there is... That could all be bait. What do you think? Oh yeah. Let's get some burley cracking. Ooh wee, stinking. So I've got all sorts of goodies at the moment. Yellowtail, got some gar, even though the gar might not fish as well. Burley, lots of plastics. You'll just give it a crack. Try and get live as you can if you can't. And we go, coming under the boat. Quickly, burley slowly getting set up. Look at this underneath the boat. That's ridiculous. Is that bait? Wow, that is out of control. If that is bait and not seaweed, it's the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. And as always, the one rod I want to get out, the one that at least tangled the most, has tangled the most. Trying a new one this morning. Naturals by Snappy Tom. Go, go, go. Get it out. And everything's gone past the sound in here. I'm so excited to see what could possibly be lurking around here. What a stunning place. Amazing. I think that was something. We got that bait already. Whiting. You know, eh? Yeah, you can get it, but there you go. We really should be trying to get far further up the river before I come back down, start doing stuff. I'm so bloody excited. I don't know where to go first. It's a very, very interesting waterway, I'll tell you. Now I've finally gotten on the boat. I can see it wasn't that much of a run. I'm nearly at Patonga Beach already. I wasn't even planning to come up this far, but because I was able to gun it so quick, I'm just going to have a little look around here. I might not be able to resist, and I might have to go maybe around that island once, have a little look around. Yeah, still top of the tide. Tide's changing any second. Yeah, the trawlers are out. There's boats all over the joint. I just want to drive past Patonga Wharf and just reminisce of the land-based sessions. There we are, pretty much at Patonga. Jeez, I'd love to get a snitty or something. Let's go for a cruise. Cormoran's just living it up on this guy's boat. Oh, look at that poor motor. And shat all over. The thing couldn't come. So, find some squid around the corner here. Yeah, so the idea is, last time I was out doing a land-based session here, saw heaps of squid. It looked like sandy weed. This where I definitely know there'd probably be something holding up. So whether I can catch it or not, that's a whole nother story. We'll give it a crack anyway. It's a pretty promising looking river, that's for sure. So we walked around this headland last time for a land session, lost sharks, got eels, got a couple other things. Alright, done a few drifts past this point. I'm hopeless. Terrible at the squid. One day I'm going to crack it. Let's go for a little cruise around the front, out the island, and yeah, after that we'll head back and we'll start. We might go up towards the big bridge and put some baits down there. I'll try and get some bait if I can find a school. And that's it. Get some baits there. rocking that little lavender with a bit of scent in it. Oh, I'm on straight away. Shit. As soon as I hit the water. What are the odds of that? Nice one. And it's off. Oh no. It's got a big hair for me. There we go, Taylor. Going hard. There it is. I think it's Taylor. One of that lavender. Very nice. The lavender has come through. Hopefully it doesn't write it off. Yeah, baby. First catch in the boat on the Hawkesbury. Look at that. Absolutely demolished that lavender lure. The capsize swims. I literally just plopped that out, touched the top of the water, and it was done. Where are you heading? They're not monsters, but I think they're just legal jobs like the other day. Just legal. Feed a tailor coming home for the family, but look at it. Love these little things. Oh yeah. They've already shredded the top of its head though. Could actually keep one of these guys for a live bait. What am I doing? Birds have moved a little bit back out. I might follow them in a sec. I have one more cast up the front. I think we better follow the bait. Instincts tell them to follow that lure. Wow, scared the shit out of me. Oh, okay. This is definitely a tailor. If this guy's big enough and I can keep him, we're going to use him as bait later. Very good. First fish, picking up a lot of bait. Yes, oh yes. Nice one. I'll just make sure he's legal and then we're good to go. 33, looking good. Let's follow those birds anyway. We'll have a bit of fun now. The pressure's off. A few casts. 2 fish we got and 1 we lost. So. Still shooting. Got a tailor. Oh yeah. Everything's coming up Millhouse, baby. You gotta be kidding me. On the sabiki. He's got something in his mouth too. A bit of bait. Little pillies or something. Oh, Oh, look at that. Tiny pillies or whitebait. Still got a cuffing it all up. Look at that. So he's going to be another mad bait. Or food for us later if we keep picking up. 4 fish in like 10 minutes. Ridiculous. Let's just trot over there. Boat. Yeah. Oh man, that's good fun. Oh, there's jumping. Hey, where you going, brother? Oh, cleaning up on a tailor. Oh. Tailor. Tailor. Is this where you've been hiding all the fish from me?
I love your channel.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. There we go. Another one.
Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah, man. Let's see how long this lure's going to last. It's been ripped in all sorts of directions. This place is ridiculous. Absolutely slaying the tailor. Oh, there's my lure. Wait, pull up close, I've got something for you. Alright, come on, let's do it.
No, going to the Parramatta donut shop today.
What's that, man?
No, going to the donut shop today for it.
Nah, man, we're killing it. Tailor all over the joint. Yeah, come here, I've got something for you. Nah, no tuna. This is my first time bringing a boat here. Yeah, everyone's on, mate. These guys are on. Oh yeah, into it. Tailor for everyone today. Let's move up on the birds a little bit. I can't help myself. Yeah, I've mixed a bunch of plastics.
Thank you, bro.
Enjoy it.
Cheers.
You using these here?
Right now they're getting smashed.
Alright.
Let's get another lure on quick and get it out. Alright, second pack. Next pack I've made up. I'm going to put another one on there. I'm going to keep running with that lavender. Oh yeah. It's no wonder these things are getting hit though. They look pretty similar size to the bait fish coming out of their mouth. baby. What a one of the lures, man. Well, 4 in the keeper tank, 1 in the cooler. Alright, last cast off this deck, and then we're moving up with the birds, and then we can move around the corner. We've done enough up here. See you, baby. We're going to get the shorts on. I'm boiling and we're on. Yeah. Crazy too. Spitting all the bait out of his mouth. Oh, we've got to learn to keep using that net. I'm an idiot. Beautiful. Look at that, absolutely slaying the tailors. Okay. I don't know, there's about 6 or something. Water's pretty dirty around here at the moment. They're all there though. A couple more casts and we're going to move to the big bridge up around the next river. Next arm of the river. I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, well, Taylor. Oh, angry little Taylor. Chewing on the nets. It's okay, bud. Oh, yeah. I think this guy might be just under. Looks like he's 29 or something. I'll let him go. That poor lure. No, he can go. Legs, I think one more tailor, if that, and we're done. Move upriver. Barely hanging on by a thread, that thing. Oh, yeah. Let's move up river. We've done very good. Very, very good indeed. Look at these poor little lures, mate. They've been butchered. Decimated. I just want to go check out this boat ramp creek. I think this is Parsley Bay, so I've been told. So yeah, I have been looking at the comments and we're going to go check out Parsley Bay while I'm here. This would be a better spot to launch if I wanted to hit this other section straight away every morning, but it's all experimenting. We're just feeling the place out. It's so big, I just want to have a rod in everywhere, all over the joint at once. It looks like a good ramp though, by the look of it. Pretty shallow, 1.2. Not worrying this guy, probably a local. There is shallow sandbanks all over the joint. There you go, Parsley Bay. See, if I'd have launched first thing in the morning, I wouldn't have even known that these little sandbanks are here that are that shallow. Still a good spot. All right, let's go up, past the bridges, all around the bridges, see what's going on. Been wanting to look at these things for a very long time. Some big bloody baits, mate. There we go. Alright, current's raging pretty strong. Bait might be a bit too big, I'm not too sure. We gave it a go. Nothing at the bridge today, but doesn't mean next time. I was going to start dispatching a few, but they've all come to life. The net in there, stir them all up. I don't think there's any amount of super gluing that's going to save these guys. They are minced. Torn 5 different ways from Sunday. I think that's going to do us. The wind's picked right up. It's pushing nearly 4 o'clock. I've got to make it back soon or I get in trouble. Been a good little session, good little first session out here. The place is just so big, you want to go everywhere and you just can't. There's only a certain amount of, you only fish a few spots a day in this place and then you're done. You had to take a video of that. Oh yeah. We did alright. We did alright. Ended up with 8 tailor I've kept and used one as bait, but nothing took it, so 8 tailor for the family, baby. Oh yeah. So anyway, time to pack up. We're heading home. Might be able to get down hopefully one more day in a week. So see you on the next one.